I'll be right back.
I found Rainbow Gabriel's hiccups. It works every time.
What is it? I'll try anything. You'll try anything? What was that hit for?
Just get your hiccups away. It works every time.
What didn't work this time?
Try my system. Hold your breath for 1 minute. That'll do it. I'll time you. I've had the hiccups many times, and I don't hold my breath, and they just go away. I'm not really sure why it works, but it does.
Oh no, we forgot about Sam.
Wait, who want to make it free now?
Man, I'm almost gonna die.
Did it work?
Yeah, yes.
See, I told you it works every time.
I'm so happy to get rid of these darn hiccups. Oh no, they're back.
Hey Mel, you know how to get rid of the hiccups?
Sure, the best way I know is to sing the ABC song. If you sing it long enough, the hiccups will just go away.
Are you sure that work?
No problem, it works every time.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hey, I think it did work. Thanks.
No problem, it works every time.
I had to remember that when I sing the ABC. Oh no, they're back. Sam, you still got the hiccups? Yes. Try jumping up and down over it. It works every time. No, I got a better one. Jump on one leg and back your arm like a bird and tell me how that will do it. It'll work.
Is it working?
I don't know. I feel ridiculous. Everybody says it'll work, but nothing does for me.
Hey Sam, the teacher's looking at you. Why don't we ask him if we can get a drink of water? Maybe that'll help.
Okay.
Mr. Bell, can Sam get a drink of water? He has the hiccups.
Okay, but first, hiccup for me.
What?
Hiccup for me, so I'll know you're telling the truth.